Hi, this is Jen Cates with my Decidedly Rough Draft. As far as topic discovery goes, I was unable to step out of my comfort zone to write this because I felt like if I were to step out of my comfort zone and use the power of introspection to kind of dive into something that I am completely unfamiliar with, like emotions and stuff, I would have needed a lot more like lenience on the amount of words. Obviously, if I'm gonna, do something that requires a lot of thought, I would like to make it as detailed as possible so that it becomes obvious what, the point is that I was trying to get across. So that was kind of hard for me. And I mean, it wasn't only difficult to express it in 500 words or less because of that, it was just because of my writing experience in general. I usually like to make sure I write about all angles of the story. So, I focus on the snowboarding aspect, but then I'd have, the other angle about the competitions or, what it's like on just a regular day. But this one, I struggled because I wasn't able to do that. I had to stay very, very focused. I had a hard time staying focused, though. That was a challenge for me because I didn't feel like, again, this falls down to I didn't really have as much space as I wanted. But I feel like it isn't as like the essay as a whole isn't as focused as I would like for it to be. Like you get the idea. The first paragraph, gives you the idea of what my life was like before I found snowboarding and why it like changed my life. And then I have all my middle essays that really kind of like explain, snowboarding in general. And then I have my last paragraph that kind of brings it all together, but I still feel like somehow it doesn't flow. So I'd really like to improve on my flow. I'm not sure. I've read it over and I've tried to revise it, but every time I do that, I can't. I have like the worst writer's block on how to put it together in my own words, but at the same time making it sound well written. So honestly, I would love all of the constructive criticism that can be aimed in my direction because I don't feel like obviously first it flows and I don't know how relatable it is. Like I tried to put it into words that make it seem relatable, like make it seem like you're in my shoes, but I'm not sure if I succeeded. This was I don't know, this essay, as simple as the assignment was and the expectations were, I don't feel like I met the expectations as well as I could have. And I think it is probably just because I was not able to step out of my comfort zone. So hopefully I can, someone can help me out a little bit with constructive criticism. Ideas on what I can add or what I can take out or, wording. Wording is another thing that I had trouble with. But I think other than that, I think that's basically all I really wanted to comment on it. If you have any ideas or anything, let me know. That would be so greatly appreciated. Thank you so much.